Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath number 1140.
FamilyMath 1140. So I learned about this game. It's called Lightbot.
Yeah.
Lightbot from a Michael Persian post, and I think originally shared by Dan Anderson. And so I just had you play around with it this morning, even for just like 10 minutes. So tell me about the game first and what you thought about it.
It's pretty neat. It's a pretty simple concept, but it sort of teaches some of the basic aspects of programming actually pretty quickly.
Okay.
So I just did like 12 of the levels. I'm on the second set. And it basically the goal is you want to turn all the blue tiles into yellow tiles. There's
Okay.
the command for that's right there. And it sort of teaches you like how a program works. Like I think this is set up like a Java program where you have a main file here, and then it gives you a couple different methods
Okay.
that you can use. So like,
Yeah, why don't you just show how like a few steps on what you might do here?
yeah. So to use the methods, and it gives you challenges sometimes. Like this one, you have to use 12 or fewer commands. So you want to use the methods here.
Okay.
So since there's like a pattern where you move and then light, we can put that in here. So this is move forward, and then this is basically just turning a blue square yellow.
Okay.
So then that's nice, and then we can use that in here, maybe. And then so P2, it's method 2, or PROC. I don't know what they're calling it.
Okay.
So you move forward, light, and then we want to do that again. So I'm going to make method 1 do sort of one side of it.
All right.
And then we want to turn to the right. So I'm just going to run method 1 and make sure that works. And we turn to the right, and then want to do it again, like 3 times, and that should get us over to here. And then we can use method 2, because method 2 is basically half of method 1 to get to here. And then we're going to have to turn to the right and then do it again. And that should be in 12. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so it's pretty neat. I sort of also, I guess, with this type of puzzle, it teaches you sort of how to be efficient. So you don't have to, like, you could write out everything you're doing here, but it would just take a lot, and it sort of limits you on how many steps you can use. It's sort of a lot like Scratch, I guess.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. So, did you like this game?
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
All right. Well, nice. Well, that was cool actually to see how one of the steps works and sort of what your thought process was. So, all right. Good job, man.